I'm Twiggy, and we're at Ikea, and we're gonna figure out how to sit in this chair. I don't think that's how you sit in it.
It's probably like this.
But what's that thing? What's this thing right here?
This?
How do you type on the computer like that?
No, it isn't, Nicholas.
How is it holding up? Look at this. Oh, it's amazing. There's no wires.
Oh, it must be like this. What if this chair was specially designed for like L?
Oh.
Did you get something stupid?
Oh, wow.
You're just...
Maybe it's supposed to be sideways and you like chill.
How are you supposed to chill?
We don't know how to sit in the chair.